What's up, guys? Rage from Gaming here, coming at you with some Evil Within. No, we're not playing Evil Within. We're playing Layers of Fear. Anyways, I'm hopped up on cough medicine right now, and I felt like playing some Layers of Fear. And I haven't released a video in a day. I was on my deathbed yesterday, so I decided to get up off my ass instead of laying on the couch and decided to record a video. So let's get busy. That's how far we got on our painting last time. God, I'm fucking slow. Alright, this is where we stopped off at last time. I do apologize for the audio quality. Like I said, I am sick. I do have a cough drop in right now. It's gonna enable me to talk. So let's go ahead and get in here and get the shit scared out of us some more. Alright, so I think this room leads to... Oh, the elevator. Okay. Let's open this elevator up. I kind of remember the elevator being a little bit creepy, because I believe this is the first time you see your wife or the spirit of walking around the hotel. Or not the hotel. The house. Oh, there we go. Okay. Was it closed all the way? That's not creepy as fuck at all. No, not at all. Not at all. Not creepy at all. Nope. Is that it? As high as we're going? Alright, let's do this. No? Can't open that? No? Locked. Shit. Locked. Also locked. Well, I guess that leaves this one. Shit. That's also locked. Oh, shit. What the fuck is that face? Oh, it's the painting. Oh, it's a key. Okay. What's this? Sir, understand, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I ain't got time for that. I just don't have time for that. Hello? Okay. Nothing there. Why do I hear fire? Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. The downstairs is on fire. Okay, let's go through here. What? I don't really want to go in here. Hello? Hello? Oh, there's a note here. Okay. Not important. Also not important. Oh, okay. Rats? Jesus. Totally missed the mousetrap. I don't know why I set those fucking things around. Make up your mind. Oh, let's turn the light on, because I'm terrified. What is this room? Oh, back here? Oh, great. That door is locked. Oh, shit! The hell was that? God damn. Okay. Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, it's the dog. Oh, okay. Poor guy.
Honey, remember
Found
how
that
you
end
said
up
it
in
would be
here now.
nice to have a cat so the baby could have someone to play with? Well, I just bought us a dog. Oh,
I don't know how this ended up in here. It was on the table in the dining room before. Alright. Okay. Oh, shit. My hands are literally sweaty on the controller from this. It's fucking creepy. That's the same room. Okay. So I guess you can't do that. So you gotta pick one. Hello? Definitely need to get a contractor in here to fix that. Should really take a look at everything else in the house. Oh, Jesus. Found this little collection of empty bottles this morning. Ran to Billy. I know it's hard for him too, but goddamn, he should know better. With a small child in the house, that's just irresponsible. Well, I would agree. And there goes the door. Hello? Oh, shit. Hello? Hello? No. 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 I'm pretty sure that door maybe it didn't open up. Oh, okay. Straight in this mess through the house. Alright, well. Oh, okay, that's just great. Oh. Well then.
This house is absolutely amazing. Oh, but those stairs. With that leg of mine, I think you'll have to carry me to the bedroom once we move in.
Okay then. Let's go this way. Okay, well that's not happening then, I guess. was already in here. So, what's this? Oh, it's a key. Okay. Maybe to unlock this door? Yes. Alright. I didn't like that at all. Okay. Well, this only makes sense. Okay. Everything is melting. That's what's like everything is melting or burning.
I needed a jar and a plastic tubing. I siphoned gas before. I knew how it was done. I stuck the tube in a vein and sucked on it until blood filled my mouth. Then put the tube in the jar and it just kept coming. A taste of copper haunted me the entire night. Why didn't I think of a syringe?
Yeah, why didn't you, dude? Shit, gross. Alright, well, we can't leave through that door. We gotta fix this room. So let's go the other way. Ah, there we go. Alright, let's try this again. Because now it's going to play forwards. There we go. Everything should be going back to normal. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Yes, back to our painting room. There's paint everywhere. Suddenly did some furniture in here now. That's cool. Got this guy over here. What? What's that sound? What's going on here? All right, let's add more to the painting. Okay, starting to get a little bit of a. No, okay, I guess not. I was gonna say we're getting something of a figure. No, it looks like a scorpion covered in goop. Alright, I think that's where I'm going to stop this one here. I seem to have a pretty good motion of doing just one part at a time. It's a lot easier for me right now. Especially until I get better, but then I can do a lot longer gameplay after that. I plan on doing some Outlast, hopefully soon. I know I mentioned that in the last video. And that game is scary as fuck from what I hear. I haven't really watched too much on it because of that reason. And definitely looking forward to getting some gameplay going on that. But comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.